Come, get it, come, get it, come, get it, come, get it.
So we've made it to Plymouth, crossed the pretty bridge, paid our fee.
We're home free, baby.
As we've come into Plymouth, it's literally bucketed down with rain again. Yeah, you can probably hear it on the windscreen. So I was not bringing coats. We're not made to paint purple, we're protecting it faster.
Yeah, man, my skin's waterproof. That's heavy. That's really heavy.
Everywhere we feel it's rain.
DHM Naval Base.
Oh yeah, you were right. So yeah, we'll go and have an explore and we'll try and record what we can, weather depending.
We can go to the Ho Seafront Club.
Yeah, I've already got that joke done. See you in a bit. So we've just arrived at the Caravan and Motorhome Club, Plymouth Sound. And it looks like a snug one. So here's a little walkway down to the beach. It's just like a single track lane. And as you can see, the clouds are coming above me, so I'm not sure how long it's going to be before it rains. Yes, we can actually see sea views from the pitch. Well, not from the pitch that we're on, but the campsite itself is set up on the top of the hill, so you can look down onto the seafront. So it depends on which pitch you get. Depends on how lucky you are. As you can hear, the kids are singing songs behind me. So let's see if we can see around this bend the full view, because that'll be nice for everyone. I've got to be careful around here though, because the cars, they drive like absolute hooligans. It's going to be fun walking back up after, isn't it?
No, it will. Wait. How fast will it go?
You're on a road, Dex. Stop.
Get behind me, please. As you can see, the car literally takes up the whole road, so you've got to be really careful. But it looks like quite a nice big bay area. And then over there, just past the sheeps, it's like a coastal path. So we've made it to the beach, and yep, you've guessed it, it's chucking it down the minute we get here. And the storms have kicked up lots of seaweed from the other day, so I'd imagine most of these people are going to leave now.
Sorry for that, we'll get in the water.
Well,
Get wet to stay wet.
There's a cafe up there though. I'm not really looking forward to the walk back, if I'm honest, love. It's basically all uphill the whole way. Oh, thanks, Dex. But there you are, that's the view. I'm gonna go though before everything gets soaking wet. So today has been another washout. We've just been down to the beach, which you saw, and it was just raining super heavy after that, so we decided to turn back, and just as we got to the campsite it just lashed it down even more. So Today we're just going to stay in. We're not going to see the whole waterfront or the other ones that we were looking at going to because it's just too far in the motorhome. So yeah, it's a rainy afternoon. You're not going to hear any more from me today because I'm just getting grumpier and I'm fed up of getting wet. So yeah, kids are happy, husband's happy. I'm going to pour myself a glass of wine.
So wife will be happy.
Look at him piping up. I said to him before I started, do you want to join in this one? No, he said, I'm all right as I am. He just can't help himself. Got to chuck his 2 cents worth in. Anything else now?
No, I'm good, I'm good.
He's good. So we're on this site in Plymouth, and a guy with an owl has just shown up. I'm going to see if he'll let us have a go. We can definitely watch. Hiya. We were told you were coming, so we've come up specially to see you.
I'm a little late because it's a bit 50-50. Oh, watch out for that.
Has the owl got a name?
His name's Emrys.
Oh, nice.
E-M-R-Y-S. Go on then. Oh, just give me that turn away.
Did he actually turn his head all the way around?
Yeah, Mum.
Yeah. Owls can turn their head all the way around, can't they?
We can do it. We can do it at quarter.
Go on then. Up you go.
Aww. Oh, he's pinched it again. Look at him now.
I wouldn't run up.
Stare at me.
Emrys. Come here.
I want him to look at
You come
me
here.
when I be happy.
Emrys.
Oh my gosh.
He's so
Come on.
close.
Have a little walk over.
He's not
Come on
happy.
then. Hiya, bud. Now it's close. Come on. Let's have a little walk. So I can technically walk him. He does a bit better when flying, don't you? Come on then. Come get it. Hey, hey, hey. Come get it, come get it, come get it. Right. If anybody has a camera or wants to take a video and get a bit more close up, we're about to let him have it. So, does everybody want to get a bit closer? Yeah? Right, you guys just stay there because you're a bit small.
Yeah, stay
Right.
there, kids.
So Emrys will know exactly what the hell's about to go on.
Oh, okay.
So if you guys stand just about here. Stay here. Right. Well, you know what's about to happen, so
Me?
yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Right, Emrys. Probably spotted something very high in the sky, as you can see. Or something in that tree. Hey! 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 Come get it, come get it, come get it, come get it! Have it.
I just think it's amazing how you started, 10 years old, the dedication you've had to do this. There's not many people out there that would...
Well, the thing was a lot of people did turn me down, and for the right reason. I'm glad that they did. It's because during Harry Potter and the making of Harry Potter,
Yeah, sure.
a lot of people wanted owls, and it's understandable. They're very cool, but they don't deliver mail. Well, he could deliver mail, but I can imagine why people just went, no, absolutely not.
Yeah.
He's too young. You can't have it. And I'm glad that the 2 years of really getting to know owls, really getting to know falconry as a sport as well.
Yeah.
How old it is. These things were when Japanese first started writing manuscripts. One of the first things that they found was a man and his hawk.
Wow.
So quite amazing that this has been that old. But yeah, I'm glad that my mentor, my master falconer, taught me well and well enough to go, right, he is ready,
Yeah.
and then take it on.
Because it's certainly not like having, your normal pet, your dog, your cat,
This is
that
it.
type of thing. Although that's dedication in itself, this is a completely different scale, isn't it? So,
Yeah, well, you have to weigh your bird every day. You've got to make sure that the weights are all correct. You've got to make sure that he's in a good flying weight, he's comfortable, he's showing good behaviour, good signs of wanting to actually fly today. If nothing, if he doesn't really want to show it, he's not quite high normally, I won't fly him.
Yeah.
just because it's just going to be him sat around most of the time. But
He looks
yeah,
very comfortable with you though, doesn't he?
This
He's
is
not
it,
like he's trying to get away from you or anything.
he's not going to struggle. He's fat and full now, and pretty much this is what owls do. They will sit very comfortably on a perch, so me, and you'll just have a look at a world, see what's going on.
He's very handsome, isn't he, Dexter?
He will change. He will get a little bit different, you know, he'll get a bit whiter here and, oh, very sorry.
He wasn't happy with that, was he?
This lovely fraily bit here will get a bit more patterned at his back of his head here, so he will change.
Bless him. So he's 3 now, so you've got a good 10, 12 years of flying.
We got quite a few more years of good flying, and hopefully, you know, he will get even better. That's what I'm really hoping for, is he'll become absolutely superb.
So you're quite local to this field, are you? Is this where you come most of the time?
Yeah, I'm here pretty much every day at 6 o'clock.
Oh wow, okay.
Every day at 6 o'clock, and flying Emirates is just the thing I love to do. But
it's been an absolute pleasure meeting you both.
Oh,
Thank you very much.
For you guys to have a bit of a wander, and for you guys to be very patient with me, because I've had some people who are very upset who can't use the field, but it's all yours now.
Do you know what a lovely educational thing for the children to see?
Well, this is what you should.
And it's not, it's not something you see all the time. And I think, if anything, our children are very grateful, and we're certainly very grateful for the opportunity to meet you in Emirates as well. So
hopefully you've enjoyed the lovely countryside.
Oh, it's lovely now that the rain's gone.
Yeah, nice blue sky now.
That's right. Oh, thank you so much.
No worries.
I got few.
Hey!
I look massive on you.
The trick is, look, if you sit back, I look tiny.
No, I still look fucking massive.
Anyway, we've got the Plymouth on our way to Brixham. We got the Plymouth on our way to Brixham. We were going to just visit the local village.
We wanted to do the whole waterfront.
Well, I wanted to go down to the docks originally, didn't we? By the Navy docks.
What's this?
Yeah.
Docks.
But we're an hour's walk away, and it's raining, so we thought, well, we'll settle for the local beach and village. We literally went out for a walk. As soon as we stepped on the beach, and I mean literally, as soon as my foot touched that sand, it started raining. Isn't that true?
It's literally happened, everything we've done.
So straight away we were just like, ugh. We turned around, we walked back up the massive hill we just walked down to get to it. And as we were getting to the campsite entrance, we could have carried on going the other way and it would have been a little village, but it's Sunday as well, so not a lot would have been open. I mean, the pub's open, so we could have gone in. But the rain got heavier again, so we're just like, we're going back to the motorhome. We're going to chill this evening, say hello to you guys.
Well, I'm not saying hello to any more.
No. And tomorrow morning, as I said, we're going to a site in Brixham. A lot there for the kids. We've chosen this one specifically for the kids. They've had a lot of outdoorsy stuff, all the adventures, the walking, whereas this one now is their arcades, swimming pools. There's a restaurant on site, love, so I might treat you.
I would be dead right now.
All we've done is cook, so it'd be nice to let someone else cook
He
for us.
says we. Me.
She's been cooking.
Yeah.
But that is us for tonight.
Yeah.
See you in a bit.
Join me a little bit.